Sorry about that. Okay. Now this is a bit confusing because we're saying find x if the terms in x to the 13 and x to the 14 in this expansion are equal. Well, I don't know the terms in x to the 14 and x to the 13 yet, but what I can do is start off by expanding this one. It's to the 17, so I'm going to start off with my thingies. You will never regret giving yourself more room. I'm going to hope that I don't have to go further than that. I've got the feeling I will. Okay. I'm going to go down another line. (13), 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, now I'm going to do all of these. You may have spotted the quick way to do it already. If not, you're going to have to do all of them as well. So let's put our 2's in. 2 to the 17, 2 to the 16, 2 to the 15, etc. To the 9. To the 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Now let's put in our minus 3x. No, I'm going to have to write this. Okay, hopefully you've spotted the quick way. Or hopefully watching this is making you think, I really need to learn the quick way. Okay. This is getting the worst. 14. 15. 16. 17. Okay. Now's the way to point out the quick way. This one was to the 13. The x was in the second one. So we just needed the one where the number down the bottom was 13. This one was to the 14. The x was in the second one. So we just wanted the number where the one where the number down the bottom was 14. So let's rip these out of here. So this is I just want to get this one. Okay, I'm going to have a real highlight. So this one's where it's to the 13. So I've got 17C13. 17C13 gives me 2,380 times 2 to the 4 is 16 times, now, negative 3 to the 13 is, I'm just going to leave it like that. And then I've got x to the 13. This one, it's 17C14. So it's 680. 2 to the 3 is 8. I'm going to leave it as minus 3 to the 14, x to the 14. And they're asking, in the question, find x if these actually equal each other. So if this one equals this one. So I'm going to start off by dividing both sides by x to the 13, and I'm going to get x to the 1. Now I still have this annoying thing. And this annoying thing over here. But if I want to get x to the 1 on its own, so x to the 1 here, I want to get this one on its own because that is just x, that's what we're trying to find. Then I'm going to divide both sides by, I should do another line over here, by whatever's here with the x, because it's x times this. Copy, I'm going to put that on the bottom here, and on the bottom here. So, on the right hand side, I'm just left with x. On this left-hand side, you can see minus 3 to the 13, minus 3 to the 14. Going to simplify. We're going to be left with minus 3 to the 1 on the bottom here. 16 and 8. 2, 2, 3, 80 divided by 680. No, these ones I just did it on my calculator, 7 and 2. So I just put 2380 over 680 in my calculator and I got 7 over 2. So I've got 7 times 2 over 2 times negative 3. So let's see, that's 14 over negative 6. So that gives us negative 7 over 3. Wow.